How did sickle cell disease spread globally? Have you ever wondered how sickle cell disease spread around the world? Sickle cell disease, often abbreviated as SCD, originated from a genetic mutation in the beta-globin gene. This mutation leads to the production of abnormal hemoglobin, which causes red blood cells to become sickle-shaped. Research suggests this mutation first appeared in Africa, likely in the rainforest region of present-day Cameroon, around 7,300 years ago. From its origin, the sickle cell mutation spread through human migration and genetic mixing over thousands of years. The global distribution of sickle cell disease is closely linked to areas historically affected by malaria, especially falciparum malaria. Carrying one copy of the sickle cell gene, known as sickle cell trait, provides a survival advantage against malaria. This concept is known as the malaria hypothesis. Because of this advantage, the sickle cell gene became more common in populations living in malaria-endemic regions. These areas include sub-Saharan Africa, parts of the Arabian Peninsula, central India, and certain Mediterranean countries like Greece, Turkey, and Italy. The spread of the sickle cell gene beyond Africa happened through various historical events. One significant event was the Transatlantic slave trade, which occurred from the 15th to the 17th centuries. Genetic studies have shown that sickle cell haplotypes found in southern European populations, such as Portuguese and Sicilian individuals, trace back to West African ancestors. This reflects gene flow due to historical contact and migration. Additionally, the migration of African populations, such as the Bantu expansion around 5,000 years ago, helped disseminate the sickle cell gene within Africa and into neighboring regions. In the Americas, sickle cell disease is largely present due to the forced migration of enslaved Africans. This migration introduced the gene into populations in the Caribbean, South America, and parts of North America. In summary, sickle cell disease spread globally through a mix of natural selection driven by malaria resistance, human migration patterns within and out of Africa, and historical events like the slave trade and European exploration. This explains why we see a high prevalence of the sickle cell gene in diverse populations across Africa, the Middle East, India, the Mediterranean, and the Americas. Understanding this history helps us appreciate the complex journey of sickle cell disease around the world.